Okay. So, I had the phone died on me. But anyways, here's the gigantic sawhorse, which is now my engine hoist. And I've got it loaded. This thing's loaded, and, there's weight of the motor. I've already started cranking the boat back up. Anyways, I've got a cross brace here that keeps the legs from spreading either way. And then, this one cross brace here to keep the legs from spreading out that way. And I can still get to all the bolts, so taking these loose. And let's see, I don't know if that bottom will come out, so I got to work on that with both hands. But once I get these 4 bolts out, there you go. The boat, I'll be ready to let the boat down some more, which means raise the tongue up some more, and then this will become unhooked from the back here, and then I'll have some room to pull forward because I've got cable and gas cord. So I'm just gonna disconnect it, and then I'll be back.
How far you want to go, Gary?
Let's see, move it a little bit. All right, hold on. Okay, all the bolts are out. And now the motor is up a little higher. And the old stand here holding on good. So I was just about to hook it up. See how much of this height we lose hooking it on. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is, man, I sure don't want to have to raise this whole motor up. All right, time to regroup. Okay, so I figured it out. I didn't have to do anything real drastic. What I did is I just put little blocks here, raised up the feet by 1.5 inches, and that gave me the clearance I needed here. So I'm ready to pull the boat forward. Oh, look, the motor's still standing there, pretty as you please. And got room enough to work on the transom now. I may pull it a little bit more forward so I got a little more room here. Probably another 6 to 8 inches. The gravel on the tires kind of show how far I moved it, so I'm going to move it a little bit further. Okay, so I guess I moved it about 1 foot or so. Here's the motor, and the transom is available for me to work, so I'm going to go ahead and pull those bolts out and then call my friend that has the pressure treated lumber. And celebrate a nice afternoon of something that worked.